Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cellular data not working on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you see that your cellular data is not working because of some reason, unknown reason, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have connected your mobile to the Wi-Fi, and after that you can also check whether your Wi-Fi is working properly or not. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to check whether your data collection restarts or not. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. So first of all, you have to check whether your physical SIM is working well or not. If you have inserted any physical SIM, then you have to simply remove the SIM, and after that insert it again, and whether you have to check whether it's now working or not. Moreover, you can also check for your eSIM whether it is working or well or not. So you have to simply click on settings again, and you have to open mobile services, and you have to simply turn all the mobile data here. So here you have to simply make sure about that. But after that, if it is still not working, then you have to simply contact your network provider that why your cellular data is not working on your iPhone iOS 26. But if it is well and good from their side, then you have to simply wait for the next update of the iOS 26, because some of the updates may carry many of the bugs and errors. So you have to wait for some time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.